Hey guys, welcome back to Kryptonite, because I believe that cryptocurrency is the kryptonite of our modern financial system, and I love it. Guys, we have some happenings right now in the Bitcoin charts, which I'm going to show you in just a second. We also have some Bitcoin news. More and more adoption news is coming out by the day. I'm also in a live trade, and let's go jump into the charts and I'll show you what's going on right now. All right, as you can see, we broke out of that triangle to the downside, which I actually predicted. Now we are getting a slight what's called a dead cat bounce, or what also could be called a bear flag. If you see a downtrend like you see there, and then what looks like a pennant coming at an upward angle from that flag, that is what we like to call a bear flag. Now, as you can see, those green candles had no volume to back it up. No volume at all, right? So it's most likely we're gonna break down from this bear flag and hit lower price targets. Now, if we zoom out, we can tell we are in this ascending channel, right, in the longer time frame. So yes, we are breaking down, but that does not mean that the price of Bitcoin is not still extremely bullish. Yes, we will probably come down and retest some lower targets here around 42. My trade, I took it right here at about 4,300, and I have it coming all the way down to about 41. So I'm still in this trade right now, and I do think I have a pretty good chance of this hitting, because it's likely we'll come back down to retest support here on this ascending channel on the longer time frame. So yes, I did short Bitcoin. That, however, does not mean that I'm bearish on Bitcoin. It means I'm bearish for the next, maybe week, maybe two, but then likely we're going to find support here, and we're going to continue upward in this ascending channel. So guys, hopefully, I'd love to hear your comments below, whether or not you agree with my trade, if you would have taken the trade, and what your thoughts are on that. I'm considering even actually scaling more into this trade. I only put in about a third of my account, but I might put in more of my account, because this looks like a prime bear flag scenario. So I'm thinking about doubling down, even putting even more in this short-term short. So guys, if you're not an experienced trader, don't do this. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research. I'm just that guy having fun, making trades, being entertaining. All right, let's look at a couple news items I wanted to show you here. And as you can see, guys, look at the MMA to pay their fighters in Bitcoin. Look at that, 30,000 in Bitcoin potentially for a win. Okay, awesome. God loves adoption. It's going to become legal tender in 3 new locations: Honduras, Portugal, and Mexico. Craziness. Over 2 million Robinhood users can now send and receive Bitcoin. We know Robinhood, one of those major exchanges that a lot of millennials use, a lot of younger people use, but there's so many users. Look at that. They can now buy and receive Bitcoin. The Tennessee Titans will now accept Bitcoin for payment. Guys, the adoption stories These adoption stories just continue to happen, guys. Crypto is here. Bitcoin is here to stay. This technology is here to stay. You can still get in before it's too late. Bitcoin has so much room to grow, guys. So invest now. I'm also going to be doing a video soon. I actually just put $1,000 into a non-crypto company. This is actually a company that I was able to seed invest in. And I have one other seed investment I'll tell you guys about as well, because I want to tell you everything I'm investing in. Again, I am 99.9% into crypto. I think this is the place to be. But of course, I do have a little bit of stock. And of course, I do have a couple seed investments that I'll do videos on, so you guys know exactly what I'm investing in, exactly what I think has some future potential to grow money, because that's what I'm about on this channel. We're about budgeting, we're about saving money, we're about growing our money. We want passive income, we want freedom, we want freedom of our time. Okay, we want to have choice over what we do with our time, and what you have to do is you have to grow your money. You got to let your money work for you. That's what I'm about on this channel. So if you're about this as well, make sure to like and subscribe, turn notifications on, so never miss one of my videos. Guys, as always, save your money, grow your money. Kryptonite.